Arvind Kejriwal. So in some time from now, he will be formally resigning as the Delhi Chief Minister. Atishi will be taking charge as his successor for the remainder of the term. This is coming across as a big development as Tetri is with us right now. Times Now breaking this news first here on the channel. Tetri, is Atishi going to be Arvind Kejriwal's successor?
Well, yes, what we are being told is that Sandeep Pathak started addressing the MLAs and then post that Dilip Pandey had put forward the name of Atishi, and as of now, all MLAs have agreed upon the name and soon official announcement will be made. We are reporting just outside the CM's residence, and in fact, we will show you the visuals over here that what kind of movement is happening over here, and in fact, what we are expecting that any time from now, an official announcement will be made soon so as to who will be the Chief Minister. But what we are picking up is that Atishi's name was put forward, and all the MLAs who were present in that particular meeting have agreed upon the name of Atishi. Atishi, a senior minister, holds most of the cabinet posts and of course considered to be a close aide of Manish Sisodia. Apart from that, she has in fact also worked with Manish Sisodia and also a close confidant of Arvind Kejriwal as well. Also remember that she had also addressed several press conferences while Arvind Kejriwal was in Tihar jail, and she was the only one who was chosen by Arvind Kejriwal to hoist the flag on the 15th of August. Again, we will show you the visuals. All eyes on this particular gate so as to who will be coming now and making the announcement. So as to officially announcement of Atishi as the next Chief Minister, the successor of Arvind Kejriwal will be Atishi, and in fact this will be certainly a major announcement. 4:30 p.m. is the time when Arvind Kejriwal is expected to tender his resignation. But this particular moment, this particular in fact announcement will be a very important announcement, because Atishi, as I told, has considered to be a close confidant, and her name was as the front runner. She was the top and the front runner amongst the race so as to who will be the Chief Minister. And anytime from now the announcement can be made.
Times Now, as we are confirming the information, as Tetri was pointing out that Atishi being one of the front runners in the race, and of course Sabyasachi within